This is the first attempt at making a YouTube about sanding, and also on this 1947 Ford truck project that I'm doing. I want to just point something out to you, that there are lots of good sanding blocks for blocking process. And don't get me wrong, these aren't as good probably as some that you might find on in the paint stores and that kind of thing. But what this is styrofoam, very good quality styrofoam from some cooler boxes that fish are stored in when frozen and sent back from Alaska. What I did was cut them to size, and then I took some duct tape and put duct tape on both sides, and just for some added strength. And then I added the 120. This is 120 grit sandpaper that I'm going to start on blocking this hood out on this 47 Ford. I'm not going to bore you with me standing here for hours block sanding this, but I just wanted to give you a tip that if you want to try to make you some sanding blocks, just get you some good styrofoam, either in a hobby shop, or take some old discarded cooler that is pretty good quality, and cut it to the size that's needed, and put yourself together a sanding block. Now, I'm not a professional by any means. I am just a guy that loves to try to put cars and trucks back to somewhat their original condition. And this 47 Ford project has been going on for a couple of years now. And I'm at the point that I'm getting the body parts, the cab and the hood and the fenders all sanded and ready to paint. And I'm doing it all myself. I don't hire anything out at all, really. Mainly because I can't afford it. I've built the flathead engine for this project, and on a video very shortly I'll show you the frame that I'm using, and the suspension, and also the engine, the drivetrain. But right now I'm going to shut the video off because I don't want to bore you to death with block sanders. Hope to catch you on another YouTube video. Thank you.